Alrighty, well, we're going to start off right where we left off last. Let's get it.
What the hell? Why the ropes?
These crazy motherfuckers strap themselves up in trees.
What are we doing out here anyway?
Brad shipped in the 93rd to help the 23rd take this rock.
There's a Japanese base not far from here. It's protected by a hollowed-out ridge.
The rest of our boys are stuck behind a locked door, and we're the key.
The hell does that
You
mean?
know, this game,
Wait, just shut up and do what he
even
says.
though I am on the old Xbox,
Clear out that ridge, move on that base.
Hey, how are we gonna get into that
would be
ridge,
like
Booker?
on the new one.
Knock. Loud. Get off the road! Take those holes!
奴らが飛び出してくるぞ。逃げろ。Enemy infantry.
Make sure you do. Why did I have to check to make sure it's loaded before I stop? Like, you're telling me this guy doesn't know that it's already loaded. It's literally in his game. He didn't load it before all this shit started popping off?
Fuck this place. Lady should have gotten out.
Our obligations to our country never cease but with our lives.
That doesn't sound like Lenny.
John Adams.
Will someone give Lenny's gun to John Adams? We could use the help.
We'll do what we can.
Don't get us killed and that might be enough. I have a brother fighting in Europe. If Mama loses her boys to both Nazis and Japanese, well, Hitler ain't got nothing on Mama Howard.
That the ridge?
That's the one.
Holy shit. You're kidding. Are you insane?
Well, we gotta get all the way up there.
Alfred, Hernandez, you're with me.
We'll go.
Yeah.
Howard, you're our dragon. Once we clear the wire, we'll be under
Well,
heavy
man,
fire. I need
most
to
of you will
turn
die.
these bastards.
But
You
that
got
is
it,
the
Sarge.
sacrifice that I'm willing to make.
Jackson, a word.
Yeah?
You're gonna help Private Howard get to that wire. And then, you're gonna keep him covered on the other side. Understood?
Look, in the sky, I'm your man. But this, I'm not the die face down in the mud type.
Then you shouldn't have got yourself shot down.
Audio, because in my headset it's
There's a
really hard
difference
to
between
hear.
suicide and sacrifice. You do well to learn it.
Not so much the audio, just them talking. Very hard to hear.
Low and quiet, boys.
Alright, we're about to die.
Howard,
I can
Jackson,
already
to the
tell
left.
you.
The rest
just
of you,
by the slow
on me.
walking, crouching, like, we're in an open field. Why are you crouching? Just run. We're gonna just run. Guys, they can see us. What cover do we have?
Jackson, you Give me a hand.
Now we're crawling?
Time you got your hands dirty.
After you.
No, flamethrowers were great. Great problem fixed for the problem of
Need a hand. Quick.
Japanese bunkers. But good lord, is that not a bomb on the top of something? And it's just like one bullet piercing that bitch. You're done.
Bad. Fly, boy.
I knew it as soon as he smiled.
God damn it!
Can I pick up the flamethrower? Can I burn somebody?
I can take that for you. I'm a fast learner.
It's a lot heavier than it looks. And a hell of a lot harder.
Perfect for some payback.
All right, then. Let's hit that pillbox.
Let's get it.
Pillbox. Jackson, get that pillbox. We're on cover fire. Go. That's it, Jackson. Use that torch on the box.
Bad idea. Like, look at your life story. I hope you, like, dude, come on. Come on. Shoot. Don't beat me with the end of your fucking gun. Shoot. Get your burned alive. Alright, carry it. Oh, shit. Shit. I have ammo. Oh. They didn't tell me I could switch guns. I still see you.
Up the hill! Get the back! Enemy infantry! Let's go! Wave, look out! Inside! Go! Go! Holy shit, that thing is insane!
I like the flamethrower. I do. I would say that I do enjoy it.
Boom! Take out that cannon! You got it, Barbie! Another gun, Pelfrey!
Yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's
On it, Sarge!
more ammo for the flamethrower. Really?
He's down! Jackson!
Y'all are stupid.
Last cannon's all yours!
I just loaded in the barrel, dude. The pinch is even top, man.
Let's see him stop us now.
Are you fucking crazy? Why would you fire that here? You just gave the entire Japanese army our location.
The invite's not for them. It's for the rest of my men. Right on schedule. Lieutenant, come take a look at this. Here come my boys.
Can they finish the job?
Check out the hangar. Near the radio tower.
Val Darkbone.
You know anyone can fly it?
This was your plan all along.
My man can take the base. Slow down the Japanese. But if we had someone in the air, wouldn't that be something?
I'm your man, Sergeant.
I was hoping you would say that. Let's get down there.
Do you even know how to land that thing?
When's that ever stopped me?
Let's go! Regroup with the tanks!
Fly again.
Push down the hill!
Oh my god. There's a lot of them.
You okay?
Bro, you back? Or y'all hold that for me. Get it. New game. Come on.
Clear him out!
The graphics. Look at the 2021 graphics on that one right there. That is pure technology at its finest. It's out. Get off of it. Out of the truck.
Tanks! Good to see you, boys. Make yourselves at home. Jackson Hernandez, let's get you airport. Everyone else, move up.
There she is. What a view. What a view.
We'll push you out of the hangar. Take this. Cover us while we get you in position.
Find us some runway, and we'll handle the rest.
Put your best into it. Push. Keep moving those legs. Jackson, need cover fire. Use that LMG!
God, keep shooting, Wade!
Target to your left! More of them! Almost there!
What? They hit man. Cool. Like, it's fun. It actually hits the propeller. That's cool.
Won't be needing this anymore!
Show us what you can do, Lieutenant!
All right, let's see.
Do we have enough runway?
Yeah, more or less.
I should have known you'd say that.
Here we go!
Alrighty, we're back in the sky.
The men of the 93rd changed Wade. They showed the flying daredevil from the clouds what war looked like in the dirt. Down there, he learned the only way to win was to have each other's backs. If you get past his talk and you see his actions, you will know who Wade Jackson really is.
I don't care what he did before. Wade abandoned us in Hamburg. I still don't trust him.
I get it. But we're not in this shithole because of him. We're in this shithole because some sodding Krauts think they can crack the best team I've ever worked with. Now, we need a plan to get us out of here.
We're surrounded by Nazis. Even if we escape, we're gonna be dead before we reach the door.
Maybe not.
This man says we're surrounded by Nazis, and this
We were
Russian
going to put on
woman
a show for
says,
Richter.
I got
It
a
was a
knife.
gamble.
We're good.
But we'd come too far to give up on getting those files. Polina being next gave us time to get ready. We knew she'd hold her own.
Nice to see you again, Fräulein. Please. Please.
This is exactly what I imagined your weird little office would look like.
Tell me what your team is planning. Lady Nightingale.
Stalingrad, the city that arrested the Nazis' eastern expansion. Had the city fallen, Russia would have crumbled. The Germans underestimated Russia's will to survive. They underestimated the city and her defenders. The people looked to Polina as a symbol of hope, but she didn't want to be a hero. She wanted only vengeance. The arrogance of the Third Reich was to think they could achieve what the great Napoleon could not. Perhaps if they weren't facing someone as fierce as Lady Nightingale.
There. We heard Steiner's been creeping around the commercial district.
Makes sense. He's never far from the slaughter.
Svoloch.
Let's go.
Wait. We should see who they are so we can let their families know. Knife.
Short! That's a sniper shot. Precise.
What, you think
They
that's
might be.
Okay. There's more cover this way. Come on.
Alright, looks like we're gonna be able to.
Why will you kill Steiner? Lady
for this.
Nightingale.
I told you to stop calling me that.
The name gives the survivors hope, Polina.
Hope would win this war.
Боже мой.
Bastards.
To followers of Lady Nightingale. Anyone who gives asylum to this terrorist will face the most severe penalties.
Damn.
Let's go up this way. Do you think the sniper could be one of Steiner's Jaeger models?
We should be more careful.
Polina, do you hear that? Take a look. There, on the right.
Steiner.
Where is he going?
He's driving towards the commercial district. You may be right about those Jaeger mortars, Misha.
Let's move before we lose sight of him.
Misha, be careful! Shit! Get down!
What do we do?
Try drawing fire with my knife!
Do what?
Just trust me!
Drawing fire!
That's me done.
Get down!
Ready to shoot!
I've got your back!
I don't see a glint.
Ready?
Ready!
Covering you!
Where's the glint? Ah, I got you now, bitch.
Now, Misha!
One more over here somewhere.
Now!
Давай!
Сволочь! Misha, help!
Drawing fire!
Took them out! Let's go!
Soldiers incoming!
right at the dick.
Ready, sister!
Ready to go. Stop right there, please. Hold those for me. Excuse you. Sir, you're supposed to...
Found an opening! I'm pushing up!
Ooh, I'm out of ammo. Take that. You.
Zwei Units!
Enemy action ahead! Think I got him! They're trying to maneuver!
Only room for one sniper. Stop.
Holy shit, Polina, Jägermeister! Somebody get behind you!
Ooh, you're a spicy boy, ain't you?
On your left!
Dude, I've got 3 bullets, man.
Movement ahead!
Is he finally fucking dead?
I think so. They're much tougher than I thought.
Well, you didn't have to fight him.
I helped. Let's get out of this field.
Excuse you, sir. Ladies first.
Well,
and I'm your sister.
we should be
Let's
safe for
polite.
now. 2 Jäger murders. You must have them worried.
It means we're getting close.
Let's keep moving then. Look, Steiner's vehicle.
I can't shoot him while he's in there.
Let's try to get closer.
I can't wait to put a bullet through Steiner's head.
Wait. This is bad, Polina. We can't strike from here. There's too many of them. Take a look.
Shit.
We can strike.
Steiner.
There, on the
I
right.
mean, it just kind of
Bastard.
suck. Well, I mean, we die.
He might be Steiner's superior.
But I mean,
Sniper,
we
get
can't.
down!
Oh, he did.
You okay?
Misha!
Oh yeah, he
It's not as
dead,
bad as
dead.
it looks.
Just hold still and let me check.
That doesn't sound good.
It's not.
We don't have time for this, Strocha. You hear me?
I need to get you somewhere safe to patch you up. You're not going to die here. Up! Let's move! I'm getting you to the post office. We'll be safe there.
Oh yeah, just a calm.
Steady your breathing.
Fucking meters away. Why not? Okay. Pistol it is.
I have you!
What was that guy even doing?
Lean on me! I've got you! Keep pressure on the wound! Shit!
Grenade!
Hold on to me! Stay with me, Misha!
They're closing in!
We're almost there!
Bitch!
Tötet sie! Schnell!
Rockets!
We won't make it!
Shut your mouth! I have you!
Watch out!
Oh yeah, the conveniently located hole. Of course.
Misha!
Honey, he's dead.
Stop it. Don't let him take Stalin.
This knife isn't going to get us out of here. Look, we need to...
Finish it. Please. For all of us.
No, you're delirious. Come on, we have to move.
Alina, go!
No! You cover the opening. I go out and flank them.
There is no time. Go. I will slow them down.
Oh, homeboy said, fuck you. I'm dying today.
Now go. It's all right. Go!
He didn't really think that went through, did he? Like, he could have waited a little bit for her. Fuck.
Ich habe das Gebäude des Lebens verlassen. Alle Ausgänge sichern. Weiter sagen. Muss ja irgendwo sein.
Ziel anvisiert. Ist still. Garten gesichert.
Greife den Feind an.
Lady Nightingale, I know you are here somewhere.
Bewegungen im Gebäude
Bastard.
auf der anderen Straßenseite.
You will not get away this time, little bird.
Schaut Sie jetzt, ich muss nachdenken, Gottverdammt. Schalten Sie mich lange aus.
Steiner gehört! Los jetzt! Bewegung!
None of them heard that?
Sonst schnitzt ihr uns die Kehle auf. Dachte, man hätte es erfunden, um Rekrutenangst zu machen. Oh nein, sie hat bei der Belagerung Stalingrads meinen Leutnant ermordet. Eine saubere Schusslinie. Und ich erwidere den Gefallen. Was weißt du schon?
I am highly focused right now, so I will not be speaking for a second.
Laufen immer hin.
How's that wall look, buddy? What the hell? Pulled the Uno reverse on your ass.
Muss hier irgendwo sein.
And bye-bye.
Sweet dreams.
How did he not see me? Do I go down? Oh, I go down. No? Where do I go? I surely don't. I don't drop. Jump up somewhere? I see your prompt. Climb walls. Ah.
Das ist das Gebäude! Los! 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 Jawohl! Die entkommen uns nicht. Wir werden sie finden. Bewegung! Bewegung!
Sie kann nirgendwo hin. Weiter suchen!
Alrighty then. Scared the shit out of me. Oh.
These men have eliminated far deadlier threats than you, girl. You are all alone in here.
Bastard.
I don't know where he is. Draw fire requires the line of sight. How the fuck am I supposed to know? Oh shit.
Is this the best you Nazi fucks have to offer?
God damn. Alright then, honey.
Lady Nightingale. One Russian girl will not best all of us. We will hunt you down like the animal you are.
Oh yeah? I'm hunting you down. Not sure if that's accurate, but... You good, bud? I mean, you backed up your own guy. You're lucky that I killed him for you. I mean, sorry.
Are you really willing to die for this miserable? You're not done yet, little bird. Feel like a hero yet, Lady Nightingale?
I apologize. My wife telling me goodnight distracted me.
Feel like a hero yet, Lady Nightingale? Bringen Sie sie mir!
Oh mein Gott!
Tot oder lebendig! Reißen Sie dieses Gebäude an! Sie soll sich nirgends verstecken können!
In an effort to run away from me, you ran past me, dude.
Loszuwerden!
Dumbass.
Troops, gone! And you're next.
Nothing without your rifle, Lady Nightingale.
You
are exactly where I want you. You are nothing without your rifle. Girl, you cannot hide forever, little bird. You will not escape Stalingrad alive.
hear me, Paulina? You are welcome to try. You think you better that all?
Get behind him. Okay. Alright, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. Now we know. Now we know. We also know that he's over on this side. Okay.
You think you bested us all, but you have not faced me.
You don't.
Russian bitch!
So what, he just takes a fucking knife to the chest and says Russian bitch and all's well and good in the neighborhood?
You are mine now. I know all about you, Paulina. Poor little nurse girl wanting to defend her home. Did that for fuck! Scheiße!
Again, knife into the kidney. And just says, okay. Shake it off.
You and this pathetic city will burn in hell. You won't get away. Where are they now? Of course. Dead. Oh, fucking bitch!
There you go. Excuse me.
Running won't save you. You've already lost.
Not around either corner.
You fucking Nazis! We'll all die here in Stalingrad! You took everything from me! Now it's my turn!
You won't find satisfaction in this. It won't end with me. We'll destroy you all.
You won't be doing anything.
Not me.
Idioта! Fascistkaya! Свинья! All you've left me is this knife.
Kick him off the edge.
Help you.
Incredible. You're all the same. I've killed more of you than I can count. And you all spout the same pathetic bullshit. Freisinger. Is he supposed to scare me? Another piece of fascist filth. Don't worry. I'll hunt him down next. You thought you'd take my city and crush my people. You tried to break me, but you failed. You created Lady Nightingale. And now, she's destroyed you.
Ihr habt einen erwischt! Wo sind sie? Sie haben uns gleich!
The infamous Lady Nightingale brought Stalingrad back from the brink. Her actions inspired the Russians to take back their city and go on the offensive. Polina changed the course of the war for the Allies and her people. With that reputation, it was only a matter of time before we found her.
All right, that's where we're going to stop it today, but we'll see y'all for the next one. Thanks for watching.